Hey guys, so today is my homegirl's birthday and she's a nurse and I don't know what to give her because she's a nurse. She already has everything she needs. So I decided, listen, I have a gift of cooking. So I'm going to whip her up a spread really quick, just a small spread, and I'm going to take y'all with me. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll catch you guys on my next one. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram to get her reaction as well as the pictures I posted. My Instagram is _Misha's_corner. Love you guys. Bye. So to some clean washed chicken wings, I'm going to season it up with my own spices. Spicy girl. As well as my lemon pepper. It's called It's Lit Lemon Pepper. Make sure you guys cop that. The link will be below. I'm also going to use my own barbecue sauce, which is my Peach Please barbecue sauce. And you just want to put it all over your wings. We're going to pop these in the oven and roast them off on 400 degrees. Each bottle comes with real peach pieces and it's so balanced and flavorful, and you won't find this in any store. So make sure you guys cop that. And so I'm going to pop these into the oven. These are the rest of the ingredients I'm going to use with the shrimp. I have lemon, peppers, garlic, my moscato, and some couscous. I'm going to toss the shrimp with the couscous once it's done. The next side will be some plantains that I'm about to fry up right now. I love plantains, you guys, and she is obsessed with plantains. So now I'm going to season the shrimp just like I should season the chicken with my It's Lit lemon pepper and my, look at the texture of that spice. For real. And this is how it looks once it's nice and seasoned. So now in some melted butter, you're going to add the peppers, the garlic, the scallions, and saute that. You're going to season this with salt and pepper because that's all you're going to need for right now. Next, I'm going to add my shrimp and saute that for 1 minute just to get it going. You don't want to overcook the shrimp. So next, I'm going to add my moscato, just a quick little splash, just to deglaze the bottom of the pan and add a little extra flavor to the shrimp. And that's pretty much it for right now. Next, I'm going to mix it up, and then I'm going to add some nice fresh lemon juice. And then you're just going to let it keep going for another 30 seconds, and that's it. You want to remove it from the stove. So this is what it looks like, and it's pretty much done. And we're just going to toss it with the couscous. These are the wings after 35 minutes on 400 in the oven. So now what I start doing at this point is just basting the wings. Keep basting them every 10 minutes until they are done. To the couscous, which I follow the directions on the back of the package. That's all you got to do. You're going to add the shrimp down in here. Look how good this looks. Like, I cannot. And y'all, I can't even eat shrimp, but that's another story. So you're going to mix this up, and that's it. Now, look at the wings, y'all. Look how beautiful. I told y'all that little bit of sauce, that's all you needed. Look how beautiful they look. So, I'm going to plate everything up and let you guys see. So, here I have the wings. Right here, the couscous with the shrimp. I got the plantains. I made her favorite salad, just a simple salad with some heirloom tomatoes. And that's the pie that I made the other day. That recipe is already up. So, happy birthday, Diamond. Love you, girl. Bye, you guys.